Hi, I'm Stephanie from PolicyMe. If you're struggling to figure out if the life insurance quotes you got online or through your broker are reasonable, then this video will help you understand how much life insurance in Canada usually costs, so you can sign your policy with confidence knowing you got the best rate available to you. Let's get started. How much is life insurance in Canada? The average cost of life insurance per month in Canada is between $15 to $100. But it can cost upwards of $200 a month if you're in your late 40s and you're higher risk. Permanent policies, which cover you for your entire life, like whole and universal life insurance, usually cost about 5 to 10 times more than term life insurance policies, which cover you for a set length of time. For example, a 40-year-old non-smoking woman may pay about $33 a month for $500,000 in coverage for a term policy that lasts 20 years. She'd pay up to $317 a month for the cheapest permanent plan, a T100, or $337 and up for a whole life policy with an investment component and cash back. Not cheap. Okay, let's look at some different rates for life insurance in Canada based on policy type, age, gender, health, and more. How much does term life insurance cost in Canada? The average cost of term life insurance is about $30 a month compared to over $150 a month for whole life insurance policies. Term life insurance is generally 5 to 10 times cheaper than whole life simply because it covers you only for a set duration of time and only pays out if you pass away during that period. The great thing with term policies is that premiums are often locked in for the entire duration of the term, whether that's 10 years or 30 years. Let's take a look at some sample rates so you have a better idea of how much term life insurance might cost for you. Here's how much a 30-year-old non-smoking man would pay for term life insurance. Now, let's look at how much a non-smoking woman might pay. And if you're older than 35 years old, don't worry, it doesn't mean you have to pay sky-high rates. At PolicyMe, customers age 41 years old and younger pay $39.66 a month on average for term life insurance. Customers 51 years old and younger pay $48.21 a month on average. Since we cannot stop throwing numbers at you, here are some guidelines for what you can expect to pay in each decade of your life. How much does whole life insurance cost in Canada? While term life insurance may cost you dozens of dollars a month, whole life insurance is probably going to set you back hundreds. Across all insurers in Canada, whole life policies with investments and cash value start at about $360 for a man and $310 for a woman. For Manulife's PAR Whole Life pay to age 90, which includes guaranteed cash values in the early years of the policy, it would cost about $717.93 a month. A woman would pay only a bit less at $710.82 a month. As you may have noticed, whole life insurance is pretty expensive. And even if you were willing to throw hundreds of dollars a month at a whole life policy, it may not really meet your needs. As we like to say, when in doubt, buy term and invest the rest. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email or call me. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and then head over to PolicyMe.com to read the complete article on how much life insurance costs in Canada. You can find the link in the description below.
Hip, hip, hooray!
Done.